When's Santa gonna get here? Santa! Oh my god, Santa!
Oh.
Santa!
Go back to sleep.
Okay, I'm going to sleep.
Or no present for you.
Okay. Oh my god, I can't believe I saw Santa. Oh my god, my back.
Morning. The presents are here.
Yay! Yay!
Okay.
Presents are here.
Okay. I open my present first.
Okay.
That's what I got.
You got...
I got a collar and a jar of butterflies and
Okay.
some and a dog bed.
Okay, my turn.
And then open it.
Yes! Always wanted one of these swords. Look at this. I'll be careful with this. Oh
Oops.
wait. It's okay. Okay then.
Okay.
Okay, I got
I'm gonna open mine.
Oh, you let me dance too.
That's what I got. I got a diamond sword and more butterfly things.
Okay.
And a dog dish.
I feed the guinea pig.
Okay. I'll do my one. And yeah. Yes!
Oops, I got your Santa thing.
Rubik's Cube.
Okay.
Teddy. It's in there.
Okay, I'll get quickly open this present. I got a dog collar and dog collar and a dog collar and a dog collar.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, last present. I wonder what it's gonna be. What do you reckon it's gonna be? What do you need?
I need an enchantment table.
Hopefully it is.
It's
What?
nothing.
Santa. Wait.
I think Santa might be over here. Do you want to walk this way?
Yeah. Okay. Oh wait, this way. We'll go this way. Oh, puppies. Puppies.
Oh, I gotta close my door before someone comes in and steals our stuff.
Yeah.
And the dogs don't have to come. They're too scared, I think.
Yeah.
Just go. Oh, I see.
I can't. Oh wait, I can. Let's go. Okay, according to the map, we'll go to my house. Just a dog. A dog. Oh my god, my dog's here.
My dog.
This is
My dog might be here too.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take it. Get on my head. Okay, we're going for adventure.
Okay. I think I'm lost. I see.
This is. I'm pretty sure this is near my house.
It's a village.
Oh my god, there's a village. I did not know there was actually a village.
Okay, I wanna go. I see a villager. I have to talk. Maybe they know where it is. I'll go ask them first.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, wait. Let's talk to this guy.
Okay.
Oh my god, you give me a bane. I get 3 emeralds and an iron sword. Well, so, wait, where's Santa? Where is he?
He said that it's under our house.
Twinkles!
Twinkle, you're here. Yes. I lost you. Don't run away again like that. I guess like.
Okay. So.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay. He said that it's under our house. Let's go under. Might be under our house. And one of the dogs here. Edgy.
Let's go home.
Yeah, one of the dogs are here.
Oh wait, really? No, really.
You don't want to leave it here.
I got one on my head. Where?
I guess go.
Let's go.
Okay.
My dogs
Santa
are
said
getting
that it's
sick.
under our house.
I think I know why my dogs are getting sick. Ooh,
Is that because it's too cold?
Yeah. We've been in the winter house for a little bit. Well, then we do have a fire.
Okay, I'll come back and see you after I come back.
Okay. Take my dog home. Let's go. No, oh no, the one's there. Okay. Oh god, it's so hard to carry you. Oh my god, so hard. Oh my god. How much he left to sleep though? Oh, so, okay. Oh. So I thought you guys died. I guess I can take that. Actually, I'll just leave it. I might need to kill you. Okay, so Santa said the villager said it. Then. Okay. So let's go find the thing. Let's go find Santa. Where is it? Why is it so much dogs? There's so much dogs here. I am down here. Okay, they're getting sugar. Santa! Santa! Oh my god! Santa! Santa, hello! Oh my god! Is this Kieran's present? Is this Kieran? Wait, so this is Kieran's present. Kieran had to go for a bit. So is this Kieran's present? Should I give it to him after? Okay. So this is what he wanted. Okay, that's good. That's good. Thanks, Santa. See you next year. Bye, Santa. See you next year. Okay. Okay, guys. This is the a Christmas special. Yeah, it's a Christmas special. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like and a comment. Yeah, because we took forever to do this, and it'll take like an hour to set everything up. So yeah, see you guys later.